Out in East LA once again. Of course, there is a huge line right before they open. 30% off. Not much to show you guys. Invincible runs in a size 11, 130, not my size. GT Cut 3s for 135. That's actually a really good price. In the women's, that's a really, really good price. $90 for those, but not the size I need. We got a 9.5. That's 108, so a little more than I want. And less than a block away, do got a Foot Locker outlet. This is the famous spot where you get 50% off almost everything. It's been a couple weeks since I've been here, so I'm curious to see if they have anything new. And if you guys are new to the channel, this is the men's section right here. Got all kinds of sneakers on the side wall. Left side over here, stuff that's already discounted. Then you get an extra 50% off on top of that. Right side right here, this is all stuff that is retail, but you still do get 50% off almost everything. They also got a ton of sales items out on the floor. Even got a sales rack right here where they only have a couple sizes. They got a nice little women's section right here. It's actually a good size women's section. And they have an apparel section where you get an extra 50% off, so it's 75% off. They also got Crocs and even more Crocs over there. Even a little hat section, so they got quite a lot of stuff here. All right, let's look around. On the sales rack, they got Ultra Boost right here. Go for, what is that, 47.50 or something? 47.50. It's a men's 7.5. Got LeBrons right here. These are going for 52.50 right here. That is an 8.5 men's. Got some, are these Bostons? I was gonna say, are these are Bostons? $40 for these bad boys right here. And these are a size 7 women's. $20 Club C 85s. I almost walked past these. These are some men's size 12, go for $47.50 as well. Got some suedes down to $15. More of these Bostons. Are these Bostons? No, are these Arrows? $30 for these right here. Bigger men's sizes. And then some two-ways right here. $30 for these bad boys right here. Size 14 though. That's a sales rack right there. All right, we're gonna check the men's reduced section. See if they got anything crazy over here. And these curries, still a huge surprise. These are the budget curries right here. Got these bad boys right here. These are the, what, the 4s? Yeah, the curry 4s right here go for 30. And yeah, still got these right here. $35 for curries. That is just, you know what? Oh, let me see if they have the size I need. Do they have size 7? I don't think these start at size 7 though. God dang it. Yeah, I can't actually use these for one of the kids I'm trying to buy something for. Trying to buy some basketball shoes for a kid that I do know. These would be dope, but they only have size 10s. Mallows, those are the rack right there. Not a crazy selection of basketball shoes right now. All the curries, I did check all the curries. They only have bigger sizes for every one of the curries. I just realized it's an elementary school boy. He's probably not gonna want to wear pink, right? Probably not. Another John Morant right here. I only see size 10 on display though, so I doubt it. Usually they mark the ones where there's no 50% off. There's no marking here, so I mean, these are going for $40. Really? Really? Wow. Oh, I asked about Under Armour. This is a men's 7.5. That's the smallest the men's sizes go. So yeah, I don't think that's gonna work because the kiddo that I'm trying to buy stuff for, he's a size 7, I believe. So those are 7.5. I'm gonna see how these fit. These are a size 10.5. I do have socks. I'm wearing slides, but I do have socks. So let me see how these fit. If they fit hella snug, maybe I can't get that 7.5 for $40. I'm trying on the 10.5. They're not too snug. They fit true to size, so that's 7.5. I don't think that's gonna work. God dang it. These also would be dope, but yeah, I don't think they have a size 11 on display, so I doubt they're gonna have smaller sizes. They have plenty of other options. I just don't really want to spend $50 because I've already bought multiple shoes for these kids. All right, we're gonna move over to the women's section, see what's up over here. Jordan 5 Lucky Green right here, still going for 50% off, a reduced price of $75. Got the Jordan Desert Camo right here for $70 as well. That's a hell of a price. Put one of my homegirls to come here. Nimbus 26s. That's such a freaking good price for these bad boys right here. $55. Got really, really good cushioning. They use flight foam, right? Flight foam blast, I believe. 110 for these, so 55 for these as well. Got Hokas. Are these? What are these? What are these? Are these the Cliftons? Yeah, these are the Cliftons. They got them for 50 effing dollars. What the hell? Clifton A athletic shoes. What the hell? And they got the Clifton suedes right here. Damn. And these really good for wide toe box and stuff like that. Let me see the biggest size. I already know they're not gonna have any huge sizes, but it's worth checking. Damn, missing out, dude. Damn, they only have a size 7. She said they had up to size 10. That would have been perfect for one of the homegirls who's a runner. She's trying to get something with the wide toe box too. Those are perfect for that. Forgot I came here to see if they have basketball shoes for kids over here. Not really seeing much in terms of basketball. Do got these GT Cut or GT Zoom. Do got the GTs right here, the Air Zoom GTs. Are these the GT Cuts, right? GT Cut 2s or 3s? I think the GT Cut 2s, right? $40 for these. Damn, that's a really good price. That's a great price. All right, I did check with these. Size 7 is the only size. Size 7 women's. And I need a size 7 men's. Still in the women's section, do got Pegasus 41s right here. $40 freaking dollars. Pretty much Ross prices. Got hoop sneakers right here. Do got the Cosmic Unity 3s. Casual shoes, they got the double bubbles. The 2 trade Jordans right there. Platform Superstars, more of the Air Max ones right here. $35. Crater Impacts, if I remember those. I think that's what those are called. Platform Blazers, $25. Air Max DNs, definitely the cheapest I've ever seen that, because $65 and $70. They got multiple colorways as well. Vapor Mask. You got the On running shoes right here. Is this their minimal? It's just like their sprinting shoe or something. Not sprinting, but like short distance. Cause yeah, there's like barely any cushioning on that one. $50 for those. There are certain shoes that are not 50% off. Usually they're marked. I don't see anything marked. So yeah, you're just gonna have to ask if they're 50 off. 75 off section right here. See some Rams apparel. It's kind of like the team apparel, kind of the more generic stuff, but they're gonna be hella cheap. $42. So what, $10.50? Chargers hoodies, Rams hoodies right here. Of course, sizing definitely going to be an issue, so you just have to check. You just have to come and check. I'm not going to sit here and go over every size because I'm too lazy, not going to lie. Lakers Pro Standard shirt, $12.50. I see XLs, I see mediums, I see multiple sizes. Chargers long sleeve team apparel right here, $42 for these, so $10.50. I see t-shirts, Rams t-shirts right here. These look huge, but I guess they're oversized because they are just larges. That's a freaking huge large. Got Nike NBA shirts right here. Guess it's got Nike regular t-shirts. Got NBA shirts in the back too. Got Nike swimming trunks, $32 right there. Also, what is this? $32, $74, 75% off of that. Got also swimming suits right here as well. Definitely come and check to see if they have your size. Like I said, sizing definitely an issue. More of the basketball, USA team basketball shirts, $35, so under $10. A bunch of Kevin Durant's. Going back to the men's sneakers, $15 for Forum lows. I see a bunch of size 13s right here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep covering these because it's just so freaking cheap. $30 for these. I've showed these a million times. Freaking $15 after the discount. I see size 9. I see 10.5s, 11s, and these are for Chuck 70s right here. If you put like sale color laces, I think these would look decent. Not gonna hype it up too much and say they look super dope, but you know, they look all right. They look all right for $15. Best $15 shoe out there. 20 for these, 15 for the Chucks right here. Roma is going for $15. Trey Young 3s right here, $25. I only see size 9.5 all the way to 13. There's no way they're gonna have small sizes of these. All right, they did check to see what the smallest size is, 9.5. These are way tight, but Yeah, I need a size 7. That's not close enough. Got a couple of Asics, $20 and 20. I think 20 for this one too. 35 for these. But these are crazy 8s right here, aka the Kobe's. I think they were with the Kobe 97s. Got the crazy ones right here, ice, whatever colorway, $35. Also got the question mids for 35. And then yeah, once I sell some more of my, maybe I'll grab another one of those questions. I'm trying to sell some of my sneakers. I'm not gonna sell to you guys, dude. I'm not dealing with the drama of, hey, I didn't get the shipment, blah blah blah, that type of stuff. I'm just gonna, I guess I'll sell them on GOAT. I don't know. I think yeah, these are down to like 35 bucks or something like that, right? We got the RSX right here, the Cheetos brand RSX, or the Cheetos collab. The Hot Cheetos collab, that is. But yeah, I do got a pretty freaking dope box. It's pretty cool. I don't know the exact price. I guarantee you these are cheap. But I also got these as well. These also come with a pretty cool box. Yeah, the Puma suedes in. This isn't a Hot Cheetos. This is just the regular Cheetos, right? Yep. All right, let's go see what's up with these Crocs over here. Someone just did check on the price of these. One of the customers did, and these are going for regular price. And yeah, they're not marked. So you're just gonna have to ask what's on sale, what's not. I got these. What the hell are these? I don't know. Some sort of art thing. Is that was that Stephen Harrington? And these are totally see-through. I don't know if these are on sale. No, these are not on sale. These have been regular price the last few times I've come and asked. But things change, so you definitely should ask anyways. Yeah, if you get any of these Crocs for a discount, definitely worth it. Like these right here, they're going for $20, and then you get another 50% off. So like these right here, these are going for what, 40 bucks, and then you get another 50% off. It did fall off, so let me throw that bad boy back on there. Okay, that one right there still has it on. Now these platform ones right here, these are like the super tall one. If you need to be taller and if you need to be a baller, 15 bucks for all those. Do got the 6 rings right here, $75. That's definitely the cheapest. You'll see those. You rarely ever see these that cheap, because fools like they gobble these up, man. Fools be gobbling these up. $75. Got the True Flights right here, I think, and yeah, I know they're limited on sizing because I just saw a customer ask and they didn't have that many sizes. These Hoka Clifton 9s, the color is awful, but they're $55. Are you serious? 55 bucks. This is a size 8 right here, so size 9.5 women's. Bam. Did I show these earlier? Got the Hoka, these are the Cliftons right here. These are size 10, these are my size. But yeah, $65 for Hokas. These are Clifton, I think they're the Clifton suedes. But this is a pretty dope color too. Man, $65. You're not gonna find Cliftons for that cheap like anywhere. It's cheaper than freaking Ross. I think I paid like $90 at Ross for my kids' Clifton. And if you're into running shoes, it's got Brooks right here. They got the Glycerin 21s for $40 effing dollars. Also got these right here, the Hyperion Max right here, normally $170. It looks like a bigger size. Got these Nitros right here, the Forever Run Nitros. I've never even heard of these, but $150 normally. They're down to 80 bucks. By 80, I mean 40 after the discount. Damn, fool, don't you know your home? That's your home right there, fool. I got these, yeah, go for 40 and 40. Got the Ghost Max right here. I know this is one of their Max cushion shoes. Someone told me they had the Glycerin Max as well. Is it the Glycerins or the Adrenalines? I don't know, but I heard that they had a Max of those as well, but $40. 40 effing dollars. It might just be bigger sizes because resales and stuff will pick all these up at a smaller size. Kayanos going for 30 is a freaking crazy price. Oh no, it's not 30. Kayanos go for $40. That is a freaking crazy price. Holy cow. $35 for some Full Force 88s or Air Force 88s. $35 for these. Iversons right here. Blue Freaks down to 30, $35. They're gonna have bigger sizes. I see a size 9. I see what a size 10. Not seeing the craziest stuff, but this is all the men's. The sale or the additional sale stuff goes to about right here, and then they even have all this stuff 50% off. Well, most of it 50% off. They got the GT jumps right here. Really? It's a Canadian. Oh, it's a Shea. What? What? They got a Shy one right here. Really? That's pretty crazy. That's crazy. I freaking love these, man. These are so freaking comfortable. And at 50% off, that is a hell of a price. That drops these down to what, $95? $95, that seems like a lot, but these retail for $190. That is freaking crazy. One of the most comfortable basketball shoes out there. Jokic used to wear these all the time. Bronze for 50 off. And like I said, there are certain things that are not 50 off. You need to make sure you ask so they can check. Dude, Curry 12's latest Curry right here. The Curry 12s actually look pretty nice. I don't think I've said that before. They look hella sleek, look really nice. 140, so if you are able to get 50 off, I'm pretty sure they are. That drops that down to $70. And then you got the Puma La France right here for 50% off. So 110, that drops these down to $55. Man, that's dope. That's dope that these are on sale. Then they got all these glycerins, Ghost, On Running. Got more of the Clifton suedes right here. Man, this place is dope, dude. Randy and Carol, they are out here from the Bay and they happen to see me. Been talking for like 20 minutes, so definitely appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. Appreciate Randy and Carol. They found this place because of me. They happen to be visiting. That's pretty freaking cool. We're gonna check out the hats real quick, and then I think we'll check out, finish up the men's, and then let's get the heck out of here. And they do got some new hats, which is pretty cool. Pro standard hat right here. I don't know what's up with the red though, man. What's up with the red? $40, so that drops that down to $20. That is a snapback. Deuce. Shouldn't it be deuces? Deuces. I don't know, but it's Deuce hat right there for $10. Deuce just makes it sound like you need a poo. I'm not really seeing too much down there. But yeah, Adidas hat. I don't know who the hell needs an Adidas hat like that. But yeah, I do got Angels hat. What are these? Fitted hats still. And these are down to $15. Got the blank ones right here for $15 as well. The Arizona one, it is 50% off MSRP. But these are freaking fitted hats, which I freaking love. $44. Hopefully they got your size, but 44 down to 22. Got San Francisco right there. Got New York. Also got the Doyers right there. Do got these bad boys, 7 3/4. And then got, there's black ones too. Angels black ones, 7 3/8. Okay. And then just a reminder, they do have a kids Foot Locker. Technically it's a separate entity and it is not an outlet over there, but the rest of this is an outlet. Almost everything 50% off. I don't know if you guys do this, but whenever I go to a place like this, I'm like, did I miss anything? I do one last walk around. So one last walk through. Did I miss anything? Jordan 1s, I don't think I showed you guys that. Jordan 1s for $55. Got the Comforts, or just the Comforts, the Zoom Airs. Go for 110, so 55 for those. Mellows, the MB3s going for 50, 40 for these bad boys right here. $35 for Terminators. Samoas, did I show these Samoas? It's like a record of number of sneakers I've knocked down today. $30 for the Samoas. The Cheetos, we saw the John Morant's. Did I show you guys these? The GT Cut Academies, 25 for those. Those GT Academies would work for the size 7s that I want, but this kid was so excited when I got his brother some signature shoes. So I'm gonna try to get him some signature shoes. If I have to spend a little more, I might have to. Some Converse basketball right here, but yeah, these ain't gonna do. All right, I think we're done. All right, if you guys don't know the address, check the description. Address will be in the description. I think we're out, man. You guys.